So hello, I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, the best wig store located in the West. And yeah, I'm here. I'm styling a wig for one of our fabulous clients here. And yeah, I'm here on this lovely Saturday. I just had an awesome conversation with one of our unhoused friends outside. You know, I always tell people, you can never, you always have to be open to receiving messages in unexpected ways. And so I just had a really good talk with one of our housed friends outside. But yeah, we talked about how good God is and how when you serve God, God will always take care of you.